What's up guys, welcome back to Kuro Gaming. Today we are putting together one of the craziest gaming PC I have ever built. This thing is designed for 4K max setting, ray tracing, streaming, editing, 3D rendering, basically anything you throw at it. And honestly, I have been waiting to build something like this for a long time. Before we start building, let's go over the specs. For the CPU, we have got the Ryzen 9 9950X 3D, 16 core 32 threads and AMD's 3D V-Cache tech, which is honestly insane for gaming. And then RTX 5090 32GB GDDR7. This thing is massive. We are pairing it with the MSI X870E Gaming Plus motherboard, 64GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR5 at 6000 MHz. For storage, Samsung 880 Pro 2TB Gen 4 NVMe M.2 SSD. We have also got a Corsair Nautilus 360 AIO cooler, the Corsair RM1200X shift power supply, and everything going inside the MSI MPG Velox 100R case. This might genuinely one of my favorite builds ever. It's clean, ridiculously powerful, and honestly just looking amazing. And that's the complete PC build. If you enjoyed this PC build, like, comment, subscribe and share with our tech lovers.